I believe it was our most horrible yet. Thank you, everyone. Not all, Mayor. Thank you very much. Yeah, I guess so. Just like last year, and the year before that, and the year before that. No, Zero, not now. I'm not in the mood. All right. Here you go, boy. Where are we? It's someplace new. What is this? Call a town meeting and I'll tell everyone all about it immediately. Listen, everyone. I want to tell you all about Christmas Town. There's got to be a logical way to explain this Christmas thing. Hello? Doctor, I need to borrow some equipment. I'm conducting a series of experiments. I know. Eureka! This year, Christmas will be ours! Perhaps it can be improved then? Doctor, thank you for coming. We need some of these. No! How jolly! Halloween's finest trick-or-treaters. The job I have for you is top secret. It requires craft, cunning, mischief. Absolutely no one is to know about this, not a soul. Now, first you go into the forest, then you see a tree. Christmas Town. And one more thing. Leave that no account oogie boogie out of this. It goes something like this. How about it? Think you can manage? Fantastic! Now why don't we practice all of that and we will be in great shape. Sally, I need your help more than anyone's. That's splendid! That's not my Christmas. My Christmas is filled with joy and laughter and this, my Santa Claus outfit. I want you to make it. How could it be? Just follow the patterns. This part's red. The trim is white. Now don't be modest. Who else is clever enough to make my Santa Claus outfit? I have every confidence in you. This device is called a nutcracker. Perfect! Open it up quickly. That's not Santa Claus. Not Santa Claus! Take him back! Which door? There's more than one. Santa Claus is behind a door shaped like this. I'm very sorry for the inconvenience, sir. Take him home first and apologize again. Be careful on your way of fetching Santa Claus. Treat him nicely. Isn't that wonderful? It couldn't be more wonderful. Not anymore, and I feel so much better now. Ow. You're right. Something is missing. But what? I've got the beard, the coat, the boots. Santa Claus. In person. What a pleasure to meet you. Why, you have hands. You don't have claws at all. Surprised, aren't you? I knew you would be. You don't have to have enough to worry about Christmas this year. Consider this a vacation, Sandy. A reward. It's your turn to take it easy. See if he's comfortable. Just a second, fellas. Of course, that's what I'm missing. Thanks.